Welcome to my channel again, and today I am going to show you how to download ISO file directly from Microsoft website. So I need to go to Firefox first and then search for Windows 10, okay? Windows 10, and then come right here, but there is no ISO file here, okay? I will not download this tool or software. Okay, I need the ISO file, not some sort of tool to create the ISO file. Okay, so how to do that? Just open another tab and search for USER. Here it is. Just search for it and come right here, and then you will get this extension. I will share the link in the video description, of course. Now click on here, add to Firefox, okay? Click on add, click on okay, got it. Now come right here and then click on here and choose it to Linux, and then reload the current page. Boom. Now here is our Windows 10 edition, Windows 10 October update right now. Click on confirm and then click on English International or other language, then click on confirm. And now what version do you need? So I need 64-bit. Just click on here and the file will come to download. Now there is an important thing that you need to know, that is link valid for 24 hours from time of creation. It means if you just download, if you just start your download now, it will give you 24-hour time to download it, okay? No more, no less. And after it has happened, you can just go there and then delete the add-on, okay? So thank you all for watching my video. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know what to do.